Today we will find the cube root of a number by estimation method. By estimation we mean that we will guess a cube root of a given number. That is, we have to guess the cube root. Okay, the steps in it are, by taking an example we will solve it. Now let's take an example. We have to find the cube root of 13824 by estimation. The first step is, it involves three steps, 1, 2 and 3. Now the step number 1, divide the number into two parts. You have to divide the number in two parts by taking first three digits from the right. You have to take first three digits from the right in the first group and the remaining digits in the second group. That means you have to take ones, tens and hundred place in the digits at ones, tens and hundred place in the first group and the remaining in the second group. Okay, and in the second step, what you will have to do? You will have to take from the first group, take the digit at ones place. Here the digit at ones place is 4. Now you have to do cube of this number. Cube of this number is 64. 64, that is the cube of that number, and you have to take ones place of cube of the number at ones place of first group. Okay, here the numbers are same. Cube of 4 is also 4. So this number we will take as our answer. 4 will be at ones place of our answer. ठीक है, you have to take the ones digit at ones place, and again you have to do in the second step, you have to do cube of that number. The number at ones place of cube of this number will be at the ones place of our answer. That is the cube root of the given number. Okay. Now you have to do the next third step. In the third step you will move to the second group. In the second group the number is 13. Now here 13 lies between the cubes of 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Here 13 lies between 8 and 27. So 8 is the cube of, that is 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. So you in this group you have to take the smaller number. The smaller number between the smaller number is 2 or 3. The smaller number is 2. Now the digit which is at the smaller, the digit which is smaller will be at the tens place of the required of the cube root of the required number. Okay, is this clear? Now let us do again one example. You have to find the cube root of 175616. Okay, the first, what is the first group? You will have to divide it into two groups, first group and the second group. The digit at one's first three digits from the right you will have to take in the first group and the remaining in the second group. Now the second step, you will have to take the digit at ones place of first group and you have to do the cube of that number. The cube of 6 is 216. Again the same, you will have to take this is the answer. This is the one digit of our answer. Here ones place of cube of ones place of first group will be the your answer. That is will be at the ones place of your answer, will be at the ones place of your answer. Now from the second group, in second group you have 175. Now 175 will lie between 5 cube is 125 and 6 cube is 216. So here 175 lies between 125 and 216. 125 is the cube of 5 and 216 is the cube of 6. Here the smaller number is 5. Here the smaller number is 5 as 175 lies between the cubes of 5 and the cube of 6. The smaller number is 5. Now 5 will be at the tens place of our answer. Done? Okay, so the answer is cube root of this number 175616 is 56. Again, another example, 91125. Okay, what we have to do in the first, we have to divide it into two groups, first group and second group. In the first group, you have to write the first three digits from the right, that is the digits at ones place, tens place and hundred place. Here it is 125 and the remaining digits in the second group. Okay, now in the second group you have to take the digit at ones place of first group, that is 5, and you have to cube that number. By cubing that number we got 125, which is same. The digit at ones place of cube of that number is 5, which is same, and you have to take this to your answers at ones place. Done? Now, in the second group, you are left with 91. Now, 91 lies between 4 cube, that is 64, 5 cube, that is 125. So, it lies between 64 and 125. 64 is the cube of 4 and 125 is the cube of 5. And again, the smaller one is 4. And you have to take this to your answer at tens place. Okay, so here the answer of cube root of this number is 45. Done? Again repeating by taking one example more. Yes, we have 32768 and you have to find the cube root of this number. So first step is again divide this number into two groups, first group and the second group. In first group we have three digits from the right, that is digits at ones, tens and hundreds place. It is 768 and the left is 32. 32 will be in the second group. Now, step second, you have to take from the first group. In the second step, you will take the digit from the first group, and then in the second you will take the digits from the second group. In the first step you have to divide it into two groups. Now from the first group you will have to take the digit at ones place. Here the ones place is 8. Yes. Now you have to do the cube of this number. Cube of this number is 512. Okay, the number is 8 and 8 cube is 512. Here the digit at ones place is 2. So take it at ones place of your answer. Done? Now for the second digit you have to move to the second group, and here the number with us is 32, and again 32 lies between the cubes of 3 cube and 4 cube, that is 27 and 64. It lies between 3 cube and 4 cube. Again the smaller number is 3. 3 will be the digit at tens place. So the required answer of cube root of this number is 32. I hope you understand this method. Let us do one more example. Let us solve for the cube root of 110592. Again, repeat now. The first step is to divide it into two groups. Okay. The first group involves the digits at ones, tens and 100, that is 3 digits from the right. It is 592. The left is 110, that is 110 to the second. In the second group, we will deal with the first group, and in the third group, we will deal with the second group. Now, in the first group you have to take the digit at ones place, and you have to do cube of that number. Now, the cube of this number is 8, and you will move this number to your answer, that is digit at ones. You will write this number in your answer at ones place. Okay, digit at ones place. Again, you have to do cube of that number. Again, you have to take that number to the ones place of your answer. Okay. Now, from the second group, the left number is 110. 110 lies between the perfect cubes of 64 and 125. 64 is the cube of 4, and 125 is the cube of 5. Again, in between these two numbers, 4 is the smallest. You have to take the smallest number to the tens place. And your required answer is 48. 48 is the cube root of 110592. I hope you understand the method to find the cube root of a given number by estimation method. Now, these are some problems I am giving to you to do as your worksheet. You have to find the cube root of these 4 numbers by estimation. Okay, thank you.